is Kathy from Livin Like Locals, and I'm currently here in Butler, Tennessee. We did a 4-day weekend. It's late September here for one of our friends' weddings. You'll see throughout our journeys we did wine tasting in North Carolina. We also saw an old Western town, a Civil War reenactment, and then obviously we had a great time at our wedding up here. The wedding was in Sugar Hollow Retreat here in Butler, Tennessee. I would highly recommend checking that out as well too. I want to talk to you a little bit about the North Carolina wine tasting. We visited 8 wineries over 2 days. Normally we visit 8 wineries in 1 day, but there was a little bit of the travel because we were staying in Butler, Tennessee, so it was 2 hours one way and 2 hours back, so pretty aggressive for us to do that. But also too, the wineries are a little bit more spread out, so it's not like a typical area like Napa, Paso Robles, or even in Italy and some of the other ones, so the wineries were a little bit more spread out. We did have some great wines. We found some gems. Some of them wasn't exactly for us, but that doesn't mean anything. Some of them were. We ended up buying almost a case. We did bring down 2 wine suitcases, but we only filled 1, only because we were limited on the amount of time. My advice to you on North Carolina wines, I think you definitely should add it to your list to go try. There are some really good gems and some really good wineries here. Everybody's super friendly. We had a great time visiting with all the different winemakers and owners and everything else as well. My always thought is go ahead and give it a try. If you don't like it, that's okay, and if you do like it, buy a bottle. Really good to help support them as you know they're going on their journey and building up their wine region here in North Carolina. I would definitely give it a try.